we were talking about mini climates,
Right.
miniature climates, various climates within a small area. Like in Jamaican climate, we're talking about how the mountain was so cold and just down by the
layers.
just by the foot of the hills was extremely hot at the seaside.
Right.
Within an hour you could be either very hot or very cold.
But you know that sounds wicked because I think that's what you do in other countries. Because imagine if you can, let's say you get 5 acres and go straight down a mountain and be able to set up a farm. Maybe have like a one-way, like maybe have some lifts, some two lifts, and you actually have a farm going elevated. So at the top you have all your, to maximize your growing potential of your land. Naturally. And I'm sure you can do that in labs and stuff with different greenhouses, but actually being able to do that with a mountain.
In Jamaica, we have utilized international culture in terms of Switzerland and the lift system of the Alps, the island. Come on, in Jamaica they do that, man. We are rich. The circle of Blue Mountain and every side of the Blue Mountain. We have lift system distributed to Portland, St. Thomas, St. Andrew, right around. And as I say, transportation, farming along the way, the whole is like the real civilization to the mountains. Then again, things will happen gradually. And you see, because we are misguided as a human race in terms of we are really heading. It's like, to me, the past where we were comfortable, or even more than comfortable, the past a stage of, let's use the word perfection then, in practice. And go over. It's like you get that zest in man to keep on creating and investing and inventing. Cause us to pass the level of, this to me, there's a leveling zone where man should try to find himself. In terms of not overdoing things. You understand me? You want comfort, you want food security. You have been exposed to luxury. It's hard to not desire some of these luxuries. Probably not everything that you have been exposed to, but basic amenities, nice, comfortable place to sleep, have a bath, socialize. Be comfortable environment. You don't have to be extravagant, but what I'm getting at is that as a human race, I think we have leveled off. The line is jagged, either too high, is that between poverty and extreme riches. That in between is so hard to really find, and I think that's really the perfection of man. If there is such a thing as perfection, like man. So what I'm saying is, we're planning for development. We have to next. Remember, it's an evolutionary process we are going through. As far as I'm concerned. Life on earth is not at its end. So we are still in the process of evolving and Jamaica, not to stray from the point, Jamaica now. Otherwise the evolution has going on. Kingston, for instance, versus the rural area in terms of development and underdevelopment. It's like I personally, I'm kind of scared, you know. I'm scared of the direction that we tend to want to go. A lot of them guys in the government, they're kind of influenced by the Western.
Everybody influenced by the Western world. The whole Western just is the Western world. That's what we get.
We're okay.
It's everything out of it, yeah.
Think about it.
Let's take over.
Think about it. I think we have to be a little more rounded.
Yeah, that's Jamaica's a good place.
We have to be a little more rounded. We can't stray too far from nature. Nature is like the skin of the earth.
Yeah. But that is most old. Well, like I was saying, when you're talking about the Western culture, like if you go back to Asian, African, Indian, nature is always, it's only Western culture that it says like we're better than nature, we do what we want.
Right.
Only Western culture.
No, dangerous, so dangerous, man. I'm afraid, man. Believe me, man. Show that when you think of what Jamaica can become, a slum. A real big ghetto, you know, man. Within a couple of years, you know, we're not talking about quantum effect.
Yeah.
You understand me? Yeah. Talking about quantum effect. I mean, within 10 years, if we just continue thinking concrete, bare concrete, and you know,
it's true that too.
Jamaica become a big slum. So, slow pace, where some of these guys have progress and so-called progress. It might be beneficial at the end of the day because we just might wake up in time to start designing our buildings more suitable to our situations and designing our future more suitable, more sustainable. You understand me? Yeah, sustainability in mind. You know what I'm saying? Because right now, my big man friend, the owner, kind of reaching it for me. I really down to earth. You know? Real down to earth type. See? White skin, Jamaican. I know what I'm saying. He said, right, why? We don't want to forget about listening up because you can't get cock up for your foot, you know?
Not true, I said a long time. Mad.
He said working hard to be able to be worthless. Because as called to put them called worthless man. You gotta see inside there, you gotta see a rank of the shower.
Yeah.
Cock up your foot in there and make a shop. Singing like mama. We Jamaicans style, you want to this one. You see? But at the end of the day, I'm happy.
It's a blessing, I'm happy. You can't eat him for that. If you struggling every day to find your happiness,
no man, you need to take it You can't wait on it.
I mean, yes, there's great happiness you want and you strive for, but I'm saying is you can
total
on a daily basis, you're under a different format you think.
You have to take happiness. You can't wait for it.
But then sometimes I have to be that because it's there, it's a different circulation of people.
Just say that to say this, you know. How we design our homes, you know, and our business, the type of business. That's what I'm saying. That's why my vision is for a food processing culture to cover food security, first of all. Because I believe that after we have covered the food security, is it?
Yeah, but especially in Jamaica, that should be this.
Yeah.
The roads, the railway, we're still running out of water. Listen, food, water, and shelter are three basic. Jamaica can't have those three things. We need to take care of them first. But let's say Western culture coming right in here.
Alright.
Road and everything here.
I'm glad you mentioned water.
The damn should have. My father engineer, my father design, and also a man. Everything in Jamaica and even a good new dam building while the one that is there building onto it while using water to clean up the other one. Yeah. Be like a whole I forget the gallons or something like
You know, I'm glad you mentioned water because the investor that I was speaking to like a couple weeks ago, same like that.
And the capital too, capital is still running out of water.
Is it?
Kingston, I'm saying Kingston in general.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
I don't want to straight from the point.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? This investor mentioned to me what I would like to do. I said, why? My dream is to the water. You understand me? Because in Jamaica, we won't have any raw material problem with sourcing water. It's the only product you can source in Jamaica securely. 365 days in a year, 24 hours.
Well, no, but but I hear them talking. Okay, I seen the water. What they said? Where we get the water off a rain every year, and it will rain next year. But I'm saying, what means if it don't rain next year?
And what is it about 2-year drought?
What is prepared for that? Don't talk about drought. Don't talk about drought yet. We cannot have drought. It's hurricane.
Hurricane.
Let me tell you something. We have one good hurricane and water system mechanism shape up like Jamaica. You think catching speak and water and the tool is about to come where can supply Jamaica. If a major hurricane to take us right now, the tool will contain a lot of water them have as distributor about the place.
Yeah.
And remember, distribution will be limited in that time.
Yeah.
So this is like forward thinking. It has happened already. It may, I don't say it will or it won't start times. You understand me? It just may happen again. And we're prone to regular storms and hurricanes.
Yeah.
So, in terms of security, business, your stuff, you're not afraid of stuff. You understand me? Water is there. You don't want a license for it. You don't have to go plan nothing. You understand me? You don't have to go read nothing. You set up your foundation, capital, you set up a factory and that's it.
Good.
You want to water for the rest of your life.
I just had a good idea, you know. Okay.